Alright, Janice, so this is what we're gonna do. I pretty much need some letters created for me. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So inside of this box or whatever folder, credit, letters to mail, there's gonna be two separate ones that I need done, but I need them both done. One is address update, the other one is hard inquiry letters. So we can start off with this one. And what I need is this one, it says old address letter. See, old address letter. Is what I need is this copied down on a Word document, just like what you did with the eviction notice. So I just need everything that's in there, even when it says ABC Supply Company. Highlight the yellow stuff, because I'll just edit it when I go to customize it, or you're gonna edit it when you go to customize it. Then we're gonna go back to the hard inquiry letters, and the hard inquiry letters are a little bit different. So what I did is, where there's gonna be three different letters, hard inquiry letter 1, 2, 3. It's gonna open up. You're gonna do all three of them. But when I copy paste everything, this is how it turns out. So it doesn't look very good. Because when I had this document, I tried to copy and paste it. And when I did a copy and paste, this is how it turns out. So if you're able to, you can just sort through it and make it look like this picture right here. This is a sample. And then for number 2, it's going to be the same exact thing. Except this one has two-page letter. This is 1 page. This is 2 page. It continues at my contact information as follows. And then same thing for number 3. It's going to be the same thing. And then, and if you want to try, here's the actual book itself. If you want to try to copy paste it, and maybe somehow, some way, it'll be better for you. But here it is, and you could try to copy and paste it yourself. It's called How To Book. So, but if you're not able to copy paste it, make it look better, then we just need to have you manually just edit it so that it looks better. And that's it.